Traditional cleaning methods requires high labor costs and generate pollution and waste. This is our 1000-watt pulse laser cleaning machine, a powerful and portable designed for the industrial cleaning. Its compact air cooling system reduces size by more than 15%, eliminating the needs of the heavy water-cooled unit, making it lightweight and minimizing maintenance requirements. The machine is easy to install and use, has low maintenance costs, and offers greater flexibility and relocation and transportation. Our laser cleaning head is built with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, delivering excellent durability and reliable protection even in demanding industrial environments. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip and reduces fatigue during long cleaning operations. Supporting both handheld use and robotic integration, it offers flexible solutions in different applications. With adjustable focus and multiple scanning modes, it delivers precise and efficient cleaning on metals, stones, and more. The machine is equipped with a real-time air pressure monitoring system. It alarms immediately for abnormal air pressure, automatically stopping laser emission to effectively protect the lens. Stable air pressure ensures even cleaning and better cleaning results. Our machine is equipped with an oil-water separator, which can effectively filter moisture and impurities in the gas, protecting the lenses from contamination while blowing, ensuring high-quality processing results. To ensure a safe operation, we can provide appropriate protective equipment including full-coverage face mask, laser safety goggles, and protective clothing. Comprehensive protection for your face and body. The machine comes fully equipped with accessories. It's ready to operate safely right out of the box. With 1000-watt pulse laser power, it provides faster cleaning speed and strong removal capabilities for difficult contaminants. High power, air-cooled portability, and highly efficient, this 1000-watt air-cooled pulse laser cleaner is the ideal choice for industrial cleaning. Click the link below to get the best code and detailed specs. See you next time.
Laser-driven, reshape your